continues the page. With a height of 5 feet and 10 inches. With a body ratio of 29, 17, 32. She likes watching TV and surfing the net. She also likes singing and playing volleyball. Once again, our candidate number 5 is Sam Pinto.
Tabahan tape ka, mapunyata ka.
Once again, for the final look of our board of judges, tonight we have the first batch of our candidates. Starting at candidate number 1,
Tabahan tape ang puta.
candidate number 2, candidate number 3, candidate number 4, and candidate number 5. Okay, ladies, turn to your right now. Another right.
Pak.
Another right. And face the judges. So you have it once again, our candidates, our first batch of our candidates wearing their swimwear. Thank you so much, candidates, and prepare for your casual wear.